Good morning, Honolulu. Tragically, for the last time. Farewell. Moving our entire lives with us down this hallway. No big deal. Christmas Day. My dear, Christmas Day. That's right, fam. Vacation's not over yet. We're on our way to Disneyland. The happiest place on earth. Oh, look at this. Got a little surfing penguin at the top. So cute. And look, board short Santa. We would be doing a huge disservice to Honolulu if we didn't highlight the amazing cultural gardens here at the Honolulu airport. This whole place is indoor-outdoor hybridization, but this is the centerpiece that connects all the terminals with the natural beauty of Hawaii. Nice to be able to enjoy the Hawaiian beauty one last time before we go. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. If you're new to the channel, I'm Tim.
I'm Katie.
And we do things like this. But don't worry, it's not exclusive to Christmas Day. If you watched our travel vlog coming to Hawaii, you'll know that they pass these out for the Hawaii-bound trips as well as the outbound trips from Hawaii. Just a longer flight. The usual Southwest snack mix. Olive oil and sea salt crackers. This excellent Parmesan peppercorn cheese to go with them. Fruit snacks. And Tic Tacs for a proper palate cleanse.
And go ahead and grab any trash that you left on that floor. Please hand it to us as we make our way through the aisle one final time. Anything in that seat back pocket that you are not taking off the airplane with you, please also hand it to us.
Airport's all decked out for Christmas and busy. Safe arrival at Los Angeles International Airport. Here we come, Anaheim. If you wondered what bag claim looked like on a busy Christmas travel day, this is it. Honestly, I expected worse. Here we go. Alright, so we booked a vacation package with Disneyland at the Hilton Anaheim Good Neighbor Hotel, and we included transport from LAX to the Hilton via Karmel Shuttle in that package. If we'd been right on time, we would have received this message right on time and clicked this link to go straight out to where we're supposed to meet our driver. However, since we were about an hour late, we landed with voicemails from him. He's already here and he's looping around to get us. Ron? How you doing? Coming into the Hilton Anaheim. And hoping we can find food somewhere.
Again, cheese and crackers.
Cheese and crackers for Christmas dinner.
Like I said, if we were worried about Christmas dinner when we were traveling, we would have booked an earlier flight.
True. Wow, this place is ritzy. It is a convention center Hilton. It is larger than the Hiltons we are used to. Oh, is this place too fancy for us? We've just been on a plane for 6.5 hours. We got our ears.
Trying to get in the spirit.
I smell the Baileys.
It does go on for a minute. It is a bit of a maze, isn't it? 6201, this way, to the left. 6229, there we go. Ooh. I can already tell we have a view of a building. As in, like, the back of an industrial complex.
That's better than
but maybe it'll be quiet. All right, we are officially in for the night. The Hilton Anaheim, 6th floor, 229th room, corner pocket, looking out on the parking lot. Totally cool with that, because all we want to do in here is sleep. The rest of the time, we'll be at Disneyland. We can give you guys a quick tour of the room, and then we're gonna order some room service because we hungry. And it's 10 p.m. on Christmas Day, so our options are limited. This is our bathroom. Mind, we're not at a Disney resort. We did get a Disney bundle with the Hilton Anaheim, which is a good neighbor hotel, but we are not expecting theming here. We're just expecting base functionality. Hello. Over here, we have our stash of Hilton bath soaps, conditioners, shampoos, all that, and a tissue box. We've got extra towels and toilet paper down there, also a hair dryer, although I realize you can't really see it. I'm about to be sad. Oh, low pressure. We do have a relatively nice shower, it looks like. All the amenities of said nice shower. And I'm not letting a whole lot of light in back here. There we go. Couple towels. And the nice thing is we do have a whole bathtub here. So if we get tuckered out from the parks and we need a hot bath, we have that option. The room itself, I think, is actually a little larger than we were expecting it to be. I mean, bear in mind that this is a convention center hotel, so they're probably expecting multiple people or perhaps an entire party to fit into one room of this size. But it's just the two of us. There's Katie doing a post-flight snooze in the chair. We're still on Hawaii time though, so she's not actually physically tired so much as she is mentally tired. We have a clock here with USBs, and it looks like wireless charging on this too, for those of you who have compatible smartphones. We have a reasonable amount of storage space right under the nightstand, and I think that goes for the opposite nightstand as well. These are the same pieces of furniture. Over here, we have a closet, which is quite dark. But, you know, normal closet stuff. Iron, ironing board, laundry bag, clothes hangers, safe. As you'd think would kind of be a given, we do have a fairly nice sized TV here, ice bucket, and a couple of glasses. Although I have no idea where the ice machine is. It would probably take an hour to find it. Two sizable empty drawers we can work with. Okay, so there actually are some AC outlets under here as well as some inputs for the TV. So if you brought your own device, your computer, your Nintendo Switch, anything like that, you can actually plug it in without too much extra hassle, but no USBs. Lastly, over here we have $5 water bottles, which we will not be touching, a small coffee maker, some coffee fixings, and underneath a fridge with, I believe, a reasonable amount of space. As you can see, our view is not that impressive, but I say again, as I've said before, we won't be spending a ton of time in this room. We'll be at Disneyland, so this is fine. All the good stuff here is digitized, so you gotta scan this QR code on the nightstand, and we are going straight to in-room dining all day, I guess. All day. Oh, place an order, click here. Ooh, stuff doesn't look too bad. Wow, seismic price jump from the pasta to the rotisserie chicken there. Thank you, Merry Christmas. Okay, this room service food came in minutes. We didn't go ham, we just got a couple of sides and starters because it's late. We don't want too much sitting in our stomachs, but my goodness, it smells amazing. Looks amazing. I will not be filming us eating this because it's late, we're tired. We just want to pig out. All right guys, it's now 11 o'clock on Christmas Day. PM, not AM, the day is over. A couple things we learned today about traveling on Christmas Day. Food places do close early, that should be a given, but it's not really something we had time to think about as we were traveling most of the day. Flights do get delayed. We did have a significant delay because of a snowstorm on the East Coast that pushed back the plane that we're supposed to fly in coming to Honolulu, which then pushed us back getting out of Honolulu and flying to LAX. And for the record, it was much busier at LAX than it was at the Honolulu airport. I think the larger airports are definitely gonna be slammed on holidays, so you can kind of expect that. For what it's worth though, traveling out of Honolulu was quick and easy. I mean, there was no lines anywhere. People were super nice. That airport is just lovely. And I wish that all airports were that airport. Also, Karmel Shuttle. Our driver, Ron, was wonderful. We definitely tipped him up pretty handily for his Christmas Day voyage out to pick us up. I don't know if every experience is going to be the same one we had, but because we had multiple pieces of luggage, we did have to book a private van as opposed to the shuttle that buses you back and forth as an actual bus. But our driver was great. His name again was Ron. We can't thank him enough for giving up some of his Christmas Day to come pick us up. I think we have nothing but good things to say about that. All said and done, we're happy to be done with our traveling for the day. I think we don't regret doing it necessarily on Christmas Day, but it does have pros and cons. And all of these are things to consider when you're traveling from Honolulu to LA or any other place on Christmas Day. Until the next adventure begins tomorrow, guys, I'm Tim.
I'm Katie.
And every day
is a new adventure.
We'll see you next time. Merry Christmas in March or whenever this is.